Good afternoon, officer. I'd like to report a lost item.
Good afternoon. I'm here to help. Can you tell me what you lost and when it happened?
Yes, I lost my wallet yesterday evening while I was walking through Central Park. I think it fell out of my pocket around 7:30 p.m.
I see. Can you describe your wallet for me?
Sure, it's a brown leather wallet, about 4 inches by 3 inches. Inside, there was my driver's license, 2 credit cards, and some cash. There were also a few membership cards and receipts.
That's helpful. Do you remember what you were wearing when you lost it?
Yes, I was wearing a blue jacket, black jeans, and white sneakers. I had a gray backpack as well.
Did you notice any suspicious activity around the time you lost the wallet?
No, I don't think anyone took it. I just think it fell out of my pocket while I was checking my phone.
All right. Did you retrace your steps in the park?
Yes, I walked back along the same path, but I couldn't find it. I also checked nearby benches and trash bins.
Understood. Do you have a description of any nearby people or vehicles that may have seen the wallet?
No, I didn't notice anyone, but it was getting a little dark, around sunset.
That's fine. Can you provide your full name, address, and phone number for the report?
Sure. My name is Daniel Harris. I live at 78 Maple Street, Springfield. My phone number is 555-432-9876.
Thank you. Have you canceled your credit cards or reported the ID as lost?
Yes, I contacted my bank and canceled the credit cards. I also reported my driver's license as lost at the DMV.
Good. That will help prevent misuse. Do you remember if you saw anyone suspicious around the area after losing the wallet?
Not really. I think the park was fairly quiet, but a few joggers and dog walkers were around.
All right. Do you know the exact location where you think it fell out?
Yes, near the fountain on the east side of the park, close to the walking path intersection with 10th Avenue.
Perfect. That will help us check if the park security or patrols found anything. Did you leave any personal information in the wallet, like a phone number?
Yes, my driver's license had my address and phone number.
Understood. Have you checked local lost and found offices?
Yes, I contacted the park's visitor center and nearby shops, but no one has turned it in yet.
That's okay. We'll file an official police report. Sometimes items are found days later.
How long do police keep lost items?
Usually, items are kept for 30 to 90 days, depending on the type. Wallets with ID and credit cards are logged carefully for safe return.
That's reassuring. Should I provide the serial number of any of my cards?
It's optional, but it can help if the wallet is found and we need to identify the owner.
I can provide the numbers. Should I write them down for the report?
Yes, please include them in your written statement.
Okay. Do I need to come back to the station if it's found?
Yes, if the wallet is located, we will contact you using your phone or email to come pick it up.
What happens if someone tries to use my ID or credit cards?
That's why it's important you reported it as lost. Misuse can be investigated if reported. The police report will also support any insurance claims or disputes with the bank.
I understand. Should I check online lost and found listings as well?
Yes, some items are listed online, and sometimes citizens or businesses post found items.
How long does it take for police to process a lost item report?
Usually, filing the report takes 20 to 30 minutes. The information is entered into the system immediately.
Do I get a case number?
Yes, your case number is 202605812. You can use this number to follow up.
Perfect. What if the wallet is found by someone else and handed in to the police anonymously?
If it's found, we log it under your report and contact you. Your personal details remain confidential.
Okay. Should I provide a description of any items in the wallet besides ID and cards?
Yes, include cash, receipts, membership cards, or anything unique. This helps us verify ownership if it's found.
I'll do that. There was about $40 in cash, my library card, a couple of receipts, and a small keychain.
Perfect. That information will help us identify your wallet quickly.
Thank you. How long should I wait before calling back if nothing is found?
You can call in a week to follow up. We sometimes receive items days or weeks later.
Should I inform my neighbors in case someone finds it nearby?
Yes, that's a good idea. They might notice it and hand it over to authorities.
Thank you for your help, officer. I feel better knowing the report is filed.
You're welcome, Mr. Harris. Stay alert, monitor your accounts, and contact us immediately if anything suspicious occurs.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.